How to fix unable to install the app? Please try again later on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have enough space on your device so that you will be able to get the app, because a lot of times the app do not get installed in your device due to the lack of the storage space. Just all you have to do is just go to the settings of your device and then tap on about phone. And as you tap on about phone, go to the storage option over here, and as you tap on storage, you'll be able to see the storage space that is left for you. After clearing out the storage space, what you can do is just make sure that you have the stable internet connection on your device so that you'll be able to download it properly. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.